Finally, the best video of this week is here and of this month. What's the best way to ask for introductions in Web3? One, best if you do it over the call. Again, like in the past video about testimonials, as like I prefer doing it over the call. It's better connection immediately. If you are chatting, it's also fine. You just have less control and less success rate. Next thing, prepare top 10 accounts that you want to close and receive introductions to. So you already need to know who they need to introduce you to. So you need to prepare those 10 accounts, your dream list, you can call it like that. Prepare a list of segments that you traditionally work very well with. Let's say if you have a million clients in DeepIn, well, probably that's something that they find valuable in your product. So if you get introduced to another DeepIn projects, it's going to be a fit. So tell them, hey, Mr. Customer, besides these top 10 customers that I want to close, I also have, or my friend, I also have these 3 segments in Web3 that work very well with me. I don't know, ZK applications like Deepin and like something, whatever. Third one, actually fourth one, you need to research that specific person that you're gonna talk to and look at their LinkedIn. I know it's a kind of Web2 way, and it doesn't work because everybody sends introductions to everyone. Like, still do it. Like like, don't tell me that doesn't work if you haven't even done it yet. Like, go do it 10 times and then tell me, Nicolai, it's not working. Because it is working. Even if you get one introduction like that, it's still worth it. When you're going to talk with the person, go to their LinkedIn, look at the customer, like look at the connections that they have, choose the people that you feel are going to be the great fit for your project. Maybe it's the CEO, maybe it's those deep in projects, like whatever. And once you're going to be talking with the person that you want to ask for introductions and referrals, you will tell them, hey, Mr. Prospect. So, Mr. Prospect, hey, Mr. Referral. I looked through your LinkedIn network. Do you know guy A? Do you know guy B? Do you know guy C? Most of the times they're going to tell you, no, I don't know. I just randomly connect with him because I'm doing the same thing. But once in a lifetime, they're going to tell you, oh, yeah, I actually know him. We used to work in ABC. You want an introduction? Yeah, let me do it. Boom. You made a good deal. Like, it costs you nothing. Give them the list of top 10 accounts and tell them, hey, Mr. Referral, I want to close out of this 10. Like, if you bring me one of these 10, oh my god, like, the next time when we go to a side event, prepare for a Michelin restaurant. And then the last thing is tell them, if nothing works, they tell you, no, I don't know any of these people. No, I don't know any of those segment, like I have no friends in Deepin, or I have no friends in that specific sector. Okay, Mr. Prospect, like, do you know people? Sorry, no, wait. If they don't know people that from your dream list, if they don't know people from their LinkedIn, you have the last resort. You tell them, Mr. Referral, we usually work very well with sector A and B. Who from your friends works in those sectors? And you look at them like this. Don't let them mumble away like nothing. Just grab them. Like, your goal is to get something out of them when they're gonna tell you, oh yeah, actually I know this company, and you're like, great, do the introduction for them to me right now. And if the person start, oh, blah blah blah, I need some information from you, and etc etc, it's a waste of, like, it's not that they don't trust you, it's the thing that they are not sure if they want to spend their personal capital that they have with this person for making an introduction with this specific person. So if you're no one to them, let's say you're just the guy that they met at the side event 3 weeks ago, and now you're talking to them and you're asking them about an introduction to the Binance that they have. Well, do you want to spend your social capital with that Binance guy for referring that no one? Well, probably not. So if they start asking you, oh yeah, send me the intro and blah 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 blah, this means that either they don't want to spend the capital on you, or they don't have such a good connection with the person. Because if you have a very good connection with the project or with the founder that you want to introduce to, you wouldn't ask for all this information. You're just gonna tell, yo, friend, I just spoke with this dude and he is doing X, and you should talk because he's doing Y with the company A. Boom. Like, That's it. Like, and boom, you do a group, and then you leave the group, and like, goodbye, you made an introduction. Like, that's kind of the best introductions, best referrals that you can find. If the person starts like asking you for 500 pages of like content and deck and like the whole Wikipedia page about you, most of the cases is gonna be like, just they never gonna make an introduction for you, and you just thank that person for the time. Tell them that, okay, I will send you everything. Do send them everything, but don't expect that they're gonna do any kind of introductions. 1 in 10 people will actually follow through, and it's gonna be like high quality investment of your time. 9 out of 10 is gonna be probably a waste of your time. So the best referrals that I've met, you need to make their life easier. They need to understand that if they do an introduction for you, what they're getting, that they're gonna get a percent from your deal, and they need to start doing those introductions right away. If they do introductions for you right on the call, that's the best, and you need to hold them accountable until they do. Because if they don't, it's gonna be, unfortunately, a wasted time. So today in this month we covered a lot of different things. We had 4 guides, we had information about ECC. Probably ECC is happening right now, and I'm right there just like going around and talking with the people. But now I'm sitting here beginning of the month recording this video, hoping that you have a great time with your friends, great time with the people that if you're at the event, if you're at home. Good that you're watching Web3 Sales Gym. Go to the chat. There's going to be a link to the community. You can talk with the people there that are also not at the event, but you can still network with them. If you're not going to an event, doesn't mean that you need to be cut off from the people and connections. Do the networking in the community. Send this video to your friends and help me grow the channel. And wishing you all the best. See you in July. Bye bye. Actually, I'm a poet today.